Okay, so the next example that I'm going to do, is, hold on. Okay, right here. So Mars Candy Company claims that 12% of M&Ms is red. This, let's test this claim at 0.05 significance level. When a sample of 100 M&Ms resulted in 20 red M&Ms. Okay, so a couple of things we need to calculate here. N is equal to 100 M&Ms, that's the sample size. Sample proportion, p hat, is 20 over 100, which is 0.2. And q hat then is 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. And those are the numbers in addition to our claim, 12%, and 0.05 significance level, which is the same as what we had before. Okay, so scroll down to my template. Here's what I filled out. Okay, so first my claim is that P is equal to 12%, 0.12. And the complement is P is not equal to 0.12 or 12%. That's the same. Null hypothesis is that it's always equal to, so in this case, also same as the claim. Alternate hypothesis then is P is not equal to 0.12. Sketch the rejection area of the null hypothesis. Okay, determine its right tail, left-tailed, or two-tailed. Right now, we're dealing with the two-tailed test, meaning my rejection area is at the bottom and the top. So if 0.95 is in the middle, this is my rejection area, two-tailed. And the test statistic, plug in all the numbers, 0.2 minus 0.12. Do not mix up these two. It's p hat minus 0.12 divided by this, and I get 2.000. That is my test statistic. Now I want to see if this is in the rejection area or not. So my critical value is the same as before because we're keeping it still at 0.05 significance level. So my critical values are at negative 1.96 and 1.96. My test statistic now is past 1.96, so it is in the shaded area. So in this case, since the test statistic of 2.0 is inside the rejection area, the shaded area, we reject the null hypothesis that P is equal to 0.12. We reject the hypothesis because our test statistic is basically too large to be close to 0.12. It's not in the middle section. Okay, so that's our decision about the null hypothesis. But what is our conclusion about the claim then? Since claim and the null hypothesis still the same, if we reject the null hypothesis, then we also reject the claim. So at 0.05 significance level, we reject the claim. And let me see if I can highlight that. Okay, so we reject the claim that 12% of M&Ms are red. Okay, we reject the null and reject the claim. So today's assignment for you is not anything new, but print out a template of this worksheet, a blank one, and copy my two problems onto them exactly as you're listening to me, or just do it with notes. But this is, I want you to do that and take a picture of it and submit it on Google Classroom. I'm going to make it due, I'm going to change the due dates now, or due time, to midnight, so you guys can get up late and get things done and not submit them late. So please